Yeah, we are currently renovating our bathroom. I mean, it's a very old bathroom, probably 40 years old. I've been thinking a lot of things have to be replaced, especially the rails of the drawers, but it just looks like there was some old oil or grease there around the ball bearings. And so my wife grabbed the WD-40 Easy Reach with this flexible straw and started spraying a lot of it directly onto the rails. Cleaned, sprayed more, cleaned, sprayed more, and now you can see how easy, how nicely these rails are going back and forth. Absolutely awesome, almost magically again. Some of the drawers were almost completely stuck. We couldn't move them anymore easily. And now we can push them back and forth with just a small finger. It's absolutely amazing. And I asked my wife how she likes this flexible straw here, and she confirmed that it was a huge help. First, of course, that it's longer than the original plastic straw, and also that it's flexible. Haven't recorded that here in this video, but there were some corners where it was super helpful that this thing is bendable. So I think great innovation here from WD-40. By the way, I've also used the sprayer on the second direct spray function where it's not using the flexible straw, and also that worked really nice. I think they have improved the whole sprayer head, because the old one was sometimes a little bit difficult to use, difficult to switch. Now it looks like it's much better. So I would say full recommendation at this point here. And so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.